If you're seeing XCOM or Twitter error 64, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This error usually shows up when your account has been temporarily suspended, restricted, or when your browser session is causing a login problem. So before you keep guessing, follow these steps carefully and you'll have the best chance of getting back into your account. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, start on a desktop browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. This is important because you should not try to appeal from third-party apps. Open X in your web browser and try logging in normally. If your account is suspended or restricted, X will often show a message explaining what happened. In many cases, the prompt will tell you which rules were violated, or it may ask you to complete a verification step before you can continue. If you see an appeal or verification screen, read it carefully. This is your first clue that the issue is related to your account status and not just a browser glitch. Follow the on-screen instructions if X gives you one. Sometimes the platform allows you to submit an appeal right away, and sometimes you have to go to the help center manually. If you do not see an automatic appeal prompt, open a new tab and search for Help Center. From the search results, click the official appeal form. Once the form opens, fill in the requested details. That usually includes your username, email address, and a short description of the issue. Keep your explanation clear and respectful. If you believe the suspension was a mistake, say that directly and briefly explain why. The goal is to make it easy for support to understand your situation. Now, if you have already resolved the suspension, but the error still keeps showing on your computer, then the next likely cause is your browser cache or cookies. A corrupted session can make X think something is still wrong, even after the account itself is fine. To fix that in Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files, then click Clear Data. After that, close the browser completely and open X again. If you're using another browser, the steps are very similar. Go into the browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear cookies and cache for then sign in again using the same account. This can often fix login loops, broken sessions, and error 64 messages that keep appearing even when the account itself is active. If the issue still isn't fixed, try signing in from a different browser or device. This helps you figure out whether the problem is tied to your current browser or to the account itself. You can also disable browser extensions temporarily, especially privacy tools, ad blockers, or script blockers, because they sometimes interfere with X login pages. At this point, the main thing is to separate an account suspension from a browser session issue. If X is telling you the account is restricted, the appeal process is the most important step. If it's just a stale login session, clearing cookies and cache usually solves it. So to recap, log in on desktop, check for the suspension prompt, submit an appeal through the X Help Center if needed, and clear your browser cache and cookies if the error continues. Those are the most reliable ways to handle XCOM or Twitter error 64. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.